Hi, welcome. My name's British Cook and I do British cooking videos on YouTube with a bit of British tradition, a bit of British history and a bit of British scenery. So this video is a little bit different from normal. Clotted cream. What happens next? There's no other way to say this. I really need your help. Patreon. What is Patreon? I started British Cook to show people how simple cooking was, how easy it was to deconstruct and how they could all do it themselves at home.
Clotted cream.
And I'm so thankful that that video has been viewed over 120,000 times and that I have thousands of comments thanking me, telling me how this has brought back memories of mothers, fathers, grandmothers, of trips to England, of trips to Britain, of trips to Cornwall, and that the video alone allows so many people to try something British. But here's the thing, I really need your help right now to continue to do this. Patreon. Patreon. It's a website set up by creators to support creators like me. Please bear with me for 2 moments while I explain this to you. Patreon is a way for you to support British Cook and in return you gain rewards. You see, I guess I could have done this through a crowdfunding site, but I wanted to give you rewards. I want you to be part of the community. And I'll be honest, there's some pretty amazing rewards on offer. Early access to videos, get to see them before everyone else. Bloopers, behind the scenes, photos, videos. Birthday messages from British Cook. One-on-one chats with me, British Cook. A mention in my upcoming recipe book. Shh, your name in there, maybe a recipe too. Plus exclusive merchandise. And did I mention I'll be sending things out to people too, across the world, wherever you are. Little treats from British Cook straight to you. And listen, I want to share more of my life and more of my cooking with you. But being self-employed means that at the moment, without Patreon, I can't. Sadly, making a cooking video takes an awful lot of time. It takes many hours. Researching, cooking, trying, testing, filming, editing, driving, bringing the sunsets, bringing the sunrises. It all just takes time. And really, honestly, from my heart, I think you deserve this. I want to be able to give you more. I want to interact more. I want to make more videos. I want to make more people happy. So help me. Click on the link in the description or that's coming off the page right now and you'll have my eternal thank yous. Plus rewards! I forgot to mention all my recipes in PDF as well with a full method for you to download or print off. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Love you lots.